Hi and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen, the crazy wig lady. Today I'm going to show you a brand new style from Gabor. This is called All Too Well. It's part of the Fall 2023 collection. The color is shaded Rusty Auburn GL29-31SS. Of course, this wig is provided by Wig Studio One for review. Now, in the drop down box below this video, just expand the drop down box. There'll be a link there that you can order this wig. Information, everything is in the drop down box. Also, Wig Studio One offers so much education and support, and you can get in touch with us in several ways. One way is by email at support@wigstudio1.com. Also, you can live chat with them during normal business hours via the wigstudio1.com website. That's another way. And also, if you need a place for encouragement and support, please reach out to us in our private Facebook group. Join us there, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Lots of ways to get in touch with us. We look forward to visiting with you and helping you any way we can. Let's have a look at Gabor All Too Well. Alright, let's just take a look at this style, All Too Well by Gabor. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about is fit. This fit me very, very large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This will easily fit a 23 plus. I just want to let you know that. There is some room in the crown as well. I have the adjusters pulled all the way in. I will show you that when I show you the inside of the cap. But first of all, I just want to let you know how it fits for me. And everything I'm going to say about this wig today is just my opinion on the one I received. Now, these are synthetic fibers. They are not heat-friendly fibers. These are regular synthetic fibers. This is a low-density bob. I do not feel any permatease in this wig. It is super sleek. If you're looking for that, something really sleek, this might be your wig. There's lots and lots of texture. You can see all these textured layers going through. Has some razor cutting at the ends of this one as well. Again, super, super low density. There's a lace front and a mono part on this. Again, we'll look at that when we look at the inside of the cap. Now, let's just first of all talk about this color, Shaded Rusty Auburn, GL29-31SS. So the base of this, as you can tell, is a chocolate brown. I think it's so pretty. It's a really nice, rich chocolate brown. Then it has these really soft auburn and ginger blonde highlights running throughout. Just gives it a lot of life. It's not one-dimensional. It has all these highlighting running through here. You can see these light ginger highlights running through. It's very soft. It's not overdone. The highlights aren't too much. It's very subtle, but it gives it just enough to really give it some life, I think. Now, the specs on this, the bang is 4¼ inches. You could cut a bang, a full bang in this all the way across if you would like, because like I said, it has that lace front. The crown is 6. Super layered here. Now the sides are 6¼ inches. Again, just you can tell there is so much layering going on here. The back is 5¼ and it has a 4¼ inch nape, and the weight of this one is 2.7 ounces. All right, I want to show you this lace front. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little up-close look at the lace front of this wig. I feel like you can see the knotting here. I just want to call that to your attention and make sure you get a look at that on the lace front. Okay, so there's the coverage there. Also here. So it has pretty good coverage there, but again, I just want to caution you that this does run very, very large. Again, super low density, no permatease at all that I really can tell at all. It's just very, very sleek. There's some different ways to style this. On these kind of bobs, I always like just to put a little barrette in there. I keep a lot of these just inexpensive hair accessories around the house, and that's always just a fun way just to pop a little barrette in there. Of course, you know, you can always wear these with a headband of some sort that always looks cute. This, like I said, is so low density, it easily goes behind your ears. Easy to wear that with a headband. Let's see how it works with glasses. And works fine with my glasses. Now I wear my glasses over my ear tabs. I know a lot of people wear them under. That's just not as comfortable for me. I just pull them right over the ear tabs and I don't have any problem. I'd like you to just notice how pretty this is around the face. Very, very layered, really nice. Has a nice length here where it hits at a good place right under the chin. Yeah. Really a nice new style from Gabor. All right, here's a look at the inside of the cap. It is an extended lace front. I just want to show you this does not taper down into the ear tab. This is a little squared off there the way they have done the extended lace, but it is an extended lace front into a left mono part. This is where there usually is a little permatease, but I just don't feel any permatease. It is super low density, like I said. It has the closed ear tabs. They've also put some fibers here on the ear tabs, which is always a really nice feature. Open wefted. I will show you, this is how much I have pulled mine all the way in, as it was very large on me. And there's stretch here, so if you have a larger head circumference, this would probably work for you. It has an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. And another look at this beautiful color, so you can see this highlighting. Very beautiful. I love the highlighting in this color. Thank you for joining me today and having a look at this new style from Gabor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And again, don't forget, join us over in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com if we can help you in any way. The ladies there are always ready to help you and assist you in whatever you need on your wig journey. So thank you again, and I will see you next time.